Do you want to shift your focus from stress to abundance? Let's practice gratitude together. Welcome to day 23 of the Transform 365 Challenge. This week, we are focusing on mindfulness and emotional awareness, practices that help us stay present and grounded. Today, we are combining mindfulness with gratitude to shift our focus from what's missing in our lives to what's already abundant. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to reframe your mindset. It helps you move away from the stress and negativity and brings your attention to the positive aspects of your life. Let's break this practice down step by step. Start by finding a quiet moment in your day where you can reflect without any distractions. This could be in the morning before you start your day, during a lunch break, or right before bed. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes if that feels good, and take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let yourself settle into the present moment. Now think about three things you're grateful for today. These can be big or small. It doesn't matter as long as they bring a sense of appreciation to your heart. It could be something simple like enjoying a warm cup of coffee this morning or hearing a kind word from a friend. Or it might be something bigger, like having supportive people in your life or achieving a milestone that you've been working towards. You can even focus on things we often take for granted, like having a safe place to sleep or good health. As each thought comes to mind, take a moment to really feel that sense of gratitude in your body. Notice how it feels. Does it make you smile? Does it bring warmth to your chest? Let yourself fully experience it. If you'd like, write down these three things in a journal or a piece of paper. The simple act of putting gratitude into words can make it feel even more real and tangible. Plus, over time, you'll build a collection of moments to look back on whenever you need a boost. You can take this practice one step further by extending gratitude outward. Is there someone in your life you're especially grateful for today? Consider letting them know with a quick message or a call. It could make their day as much as it makes yours. Practicing gratitude is not just about feeling good, it has real benefits for your mental and emotional well being. It helps reduce stress by shifting focus away from worries and towards what is going well. It strengthens relationships by fostering appreciation for the people around you. And it rewires your brain over time to notice more positives in your daily life. Gratitude is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Take 5 minutes today to reflect on three things you're grateful for and really feel that sense of appreciation. What are you grateful for today? Share one thing in the comments or post about it using the hashtag Transform365. I would love to hear what's bringing joy into your life.